Well, y'all, he did it. Jett Lawrence went 22-0 as a rookie. And I've told some of you guys that I thought you were nuts those first 2 or 3 rounds this year when some people were already saying he was going to go undefeated. We had a rookie, and he's on a team that's not really known for their championships of recent. And I just thought there's no way it's going to happen. This sport is too gnarly. There's so many things that can happen that are out of your control with 39 other bikes on the gate, and all the terrain and just weird mechanical failures. And it didn't matter. He still did it. And I was watching this last moto today, and when I saw him flinch on the gate, I was like, that's it. That's it. A bad start, and Sexton for sure can beat him. Like, maybe Ferrandis can beat him with a bad start. But it didn't matter. He was still in the lead like 4 or 5 turns later. And I think James Stewart said it really well when he said, yes, 100% luck has to play a part in going 22-0. However, the harder you work, the more you're focused, the better you are, the more luck is going to kind of fall in your favor. And it fell in Jett's favor all year long. He didn't suffer from any of the mechanicals that his big brother did on the 250s, which can happen to absolutely anybody, and a lot of it can be out of his control. Everything went right. And I thought for a while that there might be an asterisk on this season because it's 22-0 and not 24-0, but I don't feel that way anymore. I don't think anybody will think any less of him for going 22-0 instead of Stewart and Carmichael. I think if there was another round, 2 more motos, he'd probably still go 24-0. So congrats to Jett Lawrence. Man, I wish he would be racing Tomac in his prime, but I think there's a lot of guys that are a little closer to Jett in Supercross speed and skill. So I think 450 Supercross in January could be super exciting. But before that, we've got Super Motocross starting here on September 9th. I'm pumped.